Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hi guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 15. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wenjiao. Yulian. Wenjiao seems to be jealous. Right now, she was texting Miss Gu. Sister, does she really still miss her? Well, at this moment, she remembered that Julian is looking at the picture of Miss Gu. So right now, she's going to text her. She put down the phone. What were you looking just now? Enjo is asking Julian. What you're looking at has nothing to do with you. It's not about you anyway, Julian said to her. But right now, Wenjiao, look at her. Don't they look good? Why can't I compare to Miss Gu Wan Sing's importance in my sister heart? You want to watch it in the conference rooms or when you get back to the office. So right now she was questioning herself if she is not good enough. That's why Lilian, she was looking at still the picture of Miss Gu. Why is she telling me these ambiguous things when she already has a partner? You really think high of yourself. Also, you're a president of a company. You don't pay any attention to the business matters. And Joe said, Sister, do you mind Miss Gu chats me? Julian said to her, Does it have a bad influence if you act like no one else? Oh, right now, Julian has been too tough on her. But looking at Wenjiao, she seems to be jealous, right? Besides, it doesn't matter whether I mind it or not, Julian said to her. But right now, Wenjiao came back to her table. Well, this too. Relationship is getting better, but there's a little bit misunderstanding. Especially right now. Madam, I advise you to have some snack and don't really think of yourself as a president assistant. Strictly speaking, your Su family's company doesn't all belong to you. Your mother and your sisters only exercise management. Don't make someone else's wedding dress. Miss Su, what do you want to eat for lunch? Assistant Shang is asking Wenjiao. Wenjiao seems to be busy on fixing things. That's why she's not looking at her. Looking at Assistant Shang, she turned back at her. Especially Assistant Shang, I don't have much appetite so I won't eat. Are you always unhappy when you make Xiao Su unhappy? What does it have to do with me? Why are you looking at me like a scumbag? Julian said to Assistant Shang. Well, these two assistants, they're really not getting close to each other, right? She's been like this since she was a child. Refusing to eat when she's not in the mood. You're still so childish when you grow up. Let's see who will spoil you. Half an hour later, your takeout has arrived. Miss Gu, please stay away from my sister. So it turns out she really texted her. Well, probably she was really jealous that Sue will have affair on Yulian, but it's not right. There's nothing between the two of them. Mostly, she got really jealous. Chow Chow, what do you mean? It is a coincidence that Julian entered the CK. Didn't you foresee today's situation by keeping her by your side? It's between me and her. Zhao said to Miss Gu. Right now, she was still talking to her. So who I am? Do you have good feelings for me at all? Miss Gu, you're a businessman and you understand the word playing the game better than I do. Oh, she was really right. Well, we can say that Chow Chow, she was really smart. So, you and her got involved again? Does Aunt Sue know about this? Right now, Miss Gu, she was asking questions but right now of course, Wenjia won't answer her. Suddenly Yulian, right now, Sister Wan Xing, I will not be threatened by you a second time. Oh, it's like a final warning for her, but she won't really scared. Miss Su tells her to do something about this. Well, a smart girl she is. Half a year ago, my foundation was weak, but Guan Xing maintenance was much easier. Now I don't want any of it. She shouldn't provoke me in self-righteous way. She shouldn't let her sisters forget about her. Ah, sisters called me. Right now, Yulian, she's calling Wen Zhao to come over and eat with her. Wen Zhao, to her surprise, elder sister, there's a lot of food in front of her. She seems to be hungry, right? Yulian said to her, wipe her hands and let's eat. to wipe her hands so the two of them can eat. Food seems to be delicious. It's really look good. More of it. It was really appetizing. I ordered too much and couldn't finish it. Yulian said to her, but all in the table was Su Wenjiao's favorite food. Well, her alibi are not so perfect. Wenjiao said to her, well, my sister can finish it. Oh, look at her. She seems to be happy, right? She's smiling a little bit. Have you thought about finding a new investors for your company? Wenjiao has been asked by Yulian. Well, right now, Yulian just seems to be serious asking her about the company. Why? Miss Gu is a good partner. What do you think? Sister, do you care about her or me? That's why she's asking this question to Yulian. Wenjiao, Sike is the property of my Su family. In the final analysis, it's also my thing. The relationship between you and Gu Wanxing makes difficult for me. Through the opportunity of operations. Oh, she was really good at now. Yulian, she's been mature. He also said that Maoyan is not our only choice. My sister has been hot and cold to me these past 2 days. Are you doubting my relationship with her? Wenjiao is asking Yulian. She was telling things like this. That's Yulian. She will get angry or she really care for her. Knowing asking employees of what companies spreads the word. So, this is it. But, on the other hand, of course, she won't really. Sister, I'm not in a relationship, let alone have a relationship with her. Everyone says that wrong with admitting it. I misunderstood. Mr. Gu was indeed pursuing me, but we are not dating. Well, Wenjiao, she was really explaining herself to Yulian. Really? Sister, the company is your thing, and I'm my sister's person. Oh, well, this girl. Right now, she wanted this Yulian and said to her, this will be not change. Well, she was right. Right now, she moved closer to her and kissed her hand. She really liked her so much, that's why she won't have any relationship with the others. So, they really find their own way. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!